If you want to edit quick settings or the control center on a CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we're gonna go to the control center. So we're gonna swipe from the top twice, and then over here on the right side of the phone we should be able to find this pen icon that allows us to start editing all these tiles. Of course we can go to different pages, and below over here we have the list of all buttons that are not added yet. So if you want to add something, you can simply tap on the button in order to add it. You can also tap on the button above in order to remove it, or you can press and hold and then drag it to any of these places. Now besides that, we also have the option to make the button bigger, just like we have examples over here. So in order to change the size, we need to tap on this option over here on the bottom right side of the button. So let's tap once in order to create this size, and then you can tap again in order to shrink. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we can change the position of these tiles as we have them already added. You just need to simply drag them to any place that you wish them to have. You can also press this icon over here, this circle with the arrow that looks kind of like a clock. This one allows you to restore default layout for quick settings. So every button, everything will be repositioned to the default quick settings as you have right after the fresh installation or fresh configuration of the phone. And that's it. Once you are done with editing, we can simply go back. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.